Hi, this is Lindsay at Russell Tree Experts. I'm here to show you today some tips and tricks on how to properly mulch a tree. Mulching trees is both functional and decorative, adding to your tree's lifespan and helps your tree look its best. The main benefits are that it deters weeds, improves soil quality by adding nutrients, protects the trees from lawnmower damage, insulates the soil from extreme temperatures, and retains moisture when it's hot. Some tools that you will need for mulching your tree. We have a shovel, a rake, obviously mulch, and potentially a wheelbarrow, and then also I recommend wearing gloves and safety glasses. The best time to mulch a tree is in the spring or fall, and you should use organic wood chip mulch. Many trees are incorrectly mulched when the mulch is too high and covers the trunk and root collar. As you can see right now on screen, this is the root collar of the tree, where the trunk and bark transitions into the root system. The root collar should be completely exposed to oxygen. When buried, the tree cannot receive oxygen properly and can cause girdling roots, which are roots that grow and wrap around the trunk in search of oxygen, which can suffocate the tree. If you are watching this video and your tree looks like this, the first step in properly mulching your tree is to remove all of the mulch, either by hand, tools, or even an air spade if the area is heavily compacted. And if you see any girdling roots, you should address this problem before mulching your tree. So if you are sure your tree does not have any girdling roots, the first step would be to remove the weeds from around the trunk of the tree. Now you can start applying mulch to the area. Just make sure it's a wide area around the tree and evenly spread. The canopy drip line is where the majority of the tree roots extend. In an ideal situation, you would bring the mulch all the way out to the canopy drip line, but you have to work within your landscape. You can use a rake, shovel, or your hands to evenly distribute the mulch. The mulch only has to be 1 to 2 inches deep at most, so make sure you avoid mounding. Make sure you leave at least 2 to 3 inches of space between the mulch and the root collar in order for the tree to properly receive oxygen. This also prevents any moisture issues you might have, causing disease and rotting. Water your mulch whenever it looks dry. Here in Ohio we have pretty inconsistent weather, so I just keep an eye on it. Also, only add mulch when it's looking sparse. When you do, make sure you break up, turn over, and mix in the old mulch to prolong its life and allow maximum movement of oxygen and water. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and good luck on your next mulching project.